Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little unboxing because I decided to splurge and get myself a new iPhone because currently I have an iPhone 12 and I wanted to do an upgrade since I wanted to start this whole YouTube journey. I wanted better camera quality and I wanted to upgrade my storage because currently my phone has 128 gigabytes. So I wanted a phone with much larger storage because I pay for the iCloud storage thing and it's just not enough. I decided to go ahead and just get a new iPhone since my current phone has over 3,000 pictures and videos and I just felt like that was just gonna be too much to sort through. So here we go. So I already opened the boxes because I just could not wait. I wanted to see what it looked like, even if it was just in the box. So I already opened it. So we've got the iPhone 15 Plus in the blue color, which I'm so excited about this. I also got some accessories. So I got a case, which I thought this was going to be really, really cute. And then I also got a camera lens protector. I got it in like the blue shimmery color, which I thought would kind of match. Not so much with the case, but the blue color would match. And I thought the shimmer was really cute. I've actually never applied a, what do you call this? Again, a screen protector. I've never applied a screen protector by myself before. It's always been done for me. All right, so. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that before. It looks so pretty. Look at that. My goodness. And I have the regular 12 right now. So this screen is already going to be way bigger. I'm nervous to take it off. Look at that. You can see my setup through it, but oh my gosh. Okay, and so in the box we have, I currently do not use a regular iPhone charger for my phone. I actually got one of these for my birthday from my lovely boyfriend. So that's what I use to charge my phone. And it's amazing, by the way. I got it on Amazon. I will leave the link for everything that I got on Amazon down below, even for this iPhone charger, which is actually funny because not only does it charge your phone, but it also charges your AirPods and your Apple Watch, and it's in the same color blue that I got. So this might actually just be an extra since I don't really use it. And I'm also realizing that iPhones don't come with charger blocks anymore, which is crazy because I've been getting an iPhone for years now and they've always come with a charger block. So I find it so weird that the new ones don't. But it comes with a little charger and then just stickers. Well, let's get into the accessories. So this is the phone case that I chose. So I wanted to go with a kawaii theme with my phone this time. Like that cute little pastel-y look to go with it. And I'm honestly, when I ordered this, I did not think about how your phone case for this kind of charger, where your phone just kind of sits down on it, can't be too thick or else it won't charge. So we're gonna pray. We're just gonna pray to the almighty gods that it still charges because it's got this little lip right here. But I've also never had a phone with a little, like, this is so cute, the little bracelet that comes with it to hold on to your phone. I don't even know where this goes. And it actually looks like it goes right here. If you can see that right there. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and apply it before I put my phone in it so that I don't screw it up. I don't even know if I'm doing this the right way, but I guess it does not matter, does it? I obviously am not good with this. I need to get, oh, we got it, we got it, we got it, Fandango, we got it. Now, this is not where it was, like did not look like the location of where this bracelet would be when I saw the picture on Amazon, but it would make sense for it to be right there, you know, instead of up here bothering you while you're using your phone. Next up, we have the lens protector. Anybody else just rip off the sticker? So it comes with wipes, and then this is the lens protector. I think it is so cute, and how it's just like shimmery. All right, and then last but not least, we have the screen protector. I really hope I can do this on my own, because if not, I'm going to need some assistance. It's got the instructions right here to help me do this. So we're gonna go ahead and now assemble it all together. All right, so we've got our phone. So I assume we just then we use the back. Now it's time for the lens protector. I'm going to use one of these excess dirt wipes just in case. Okay, so it goes on this way. Okay, and I think that's it. does make it like more bulky. So hopefully the case makes it look normal. Alright, so now all that's left is to turn the phone on. Now I do have to switch over my phone number and service to this phone, so I'm gonna do that off camera, but she's turning on. She's just so cute! And I'm really glad that the case still fits even with the camera lens protector. I honestly thought this was gonna be like a hole, but it's not. That's the case covering it. So that's kind of cool in a way, I guess, but I still think it's super cute. I am just so in love with it. Now that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment any other video recommendations that you guys have, and I will see you guys later. Take care.